Welcome back friends. Today we learn about metronidazole tablet. Metronidazole tablet is an antibiotic medicine that helps your body fight infections caused by bacteria and parasites. It is used to treat infections of the liver, stomach, intestine, vagina, brain, heart, lungs, bones and skins. Metronidazole tablet helps prevent an infection after surgery. It is also used in the treatment of dental infections, leg ulcers, and pressure sores. This medicine is best taken after eating some food. It should be taken at the same time each day to get the most benefit. The amount you are advised will depend on what you are being treated for and how bad it is. But you should take this antibiotic exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Your symptoms may get better after a short time, but do not stop taking it until you have finished a full course of treatment. Even if you feel well, if you stop taking it early, some bacteria may survive and the infections may come back. Do not drink alcohol while taking these medicines and for a few days after stopping it. Otherwise, you may get unpleasant side effects like nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. The most common side effects of these medicines are headache, dryness in mouth, nausea, and a slight metallic taste in the mouth. These are usually mild, but let your doctor know if they bother you or last more than a few days. You can try using sugarless lozenges to overcome any dryness or metallic taste in the mouth. Before using this medicine, inform your doctor if you are allergic to any medicines or have any kidney or liver problems or any disease of the nervous system. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, inform your doctor before taking this medicine. If in short usage of metronidazole tablet, then metronidazole tablet is prescribed for bacterial infection and parasitic worm infections. Now we move to benefits of metronidazole tablet in bacterial infections. Metronidazole tablet is a versatile antibiotic medicine that can be used to treat many different infections caused by bacteria. These include infections of the blood, brain, lungs, bones, joints, UTI, stomach and intestine. It can also be used to treat gum ulcers and other dental infections, leg ulcers and pressure sores. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria causing the infections. This medicine usually make you feel better quickly. However, you should continue taking it as long as it is prescribed even when you feel better, to make sure that all bacteria are killed and do not become resistant. This medicine is generally safe to use while pregnant or breastfeeding, but you should ask your doctor. In parasitic infection, metronidazole tablet is an antibiotic medicine that helps treat many parasitic infections such as amoebic dysentery. It works by stopping the growth of parasites causing the infections. This medicine usually makes you feel better quite quickly. However, you should continue taking it as long as prescribed even when you feel better, to make sure that all parasites are killed and do not become resistant. This medicine is generally safe to use while pregnant or breastfeeding, but you should ask your doctor. Now we learn about how metronidazole tablet works. Metronidazole tablet is an antibiotic. It kills the bacteria and other microorganisms that cause infections by damaging their DNA. That's all about metronidazole tablet friends. I hope this video is good for you or informative for you. Thanks friends, take care, bye bye and be careful. Medicine